Standard 2 3.11 Reading time. How are you, students?
Fine.
Would you like reading?
Yes.
Okay. Today we learn with fun. We read with fun. Are you ready?
Yes.
A. Read the following sentences with the help of pictures. चित्रांच्या मदतीने खालील वाक्ये वाचा. Let's see an example. चला एक उदाहरण पाहूया. I am a traffic police. Here is my baton. I am a traffic police. Here is my baton. Now who will read?
I will read.
Okay.
I am a mechanic. Here is my spanner. I am a mechanic. Here is my spanner.
Now who will read?
I will read, sir. I am a manager. Here is my computer. I am a manager. Here is my computer.
Now who will read?
I will read. I am a carpenter. Here is my saw. I am a carpenter. Here is my saw.
Now who will read?
I will read. I am a chef. Here is my pan. I am a chef. Here is my pan.
Now who will read?
I will read, sir. I am a singer. Here is my tanpura. I am a singer. Here is my tanpura.
Very good. B. Read the following words and draw the pictures. खालील शब्द वाचा आणि चित्र काढा. Let's see an example. चला एक उदाहरण पाहूया. Read the following word. खालील शब्द वाचा.
Cloud.
Now I draw a picture of a cloud. आता मी ढगाचे चित्र काढतो. Like this way, you have to complete this activity. Read the following word. खालील शब्द वाचा.
Moon.
Draw a picture of the moon. चंद्राचे चित्र काढा. Read the following word. खालील शब्द वाचा.
Rocket.
Draw a picture of the rocket. अग्निबाणाचे चित्र काढा. Read the following word. खालील शब्द वाचा.
Star.
Draw a picture of the star. ताऱ्याचे चित्र काढा. Read the following word. खालील शब्द वाचा.
Sun.
Draw a picture of the sun. सूर्याचे चित्र काढा. Check your notebooks. आपल्या वह्या तपासा. Moon. Rocket. Star. Sun. Thank you.